हाय फ्रेंड्स, वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आप सभी को हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत। आज हम बात करेंगे CVR ऐप के बारे में। सो दिस इज़ एन ऐप लॉन्च्ड बाय वेस्ट बंगाल। इन वेस्ट बंगाल you can book your COVID vaccination. CVR app you have to use, and this will show you the availability. Also you can book first dose of vaccine as well as second dose of vaccine. I will show you what is the procedure. Okay, it's simple procedure, there is nothing complex. What you have to do, friends, note down this number. This is the number using which you are going to book the vaccination: 8335999000. I will give this number in my video description, you can copy it. Once you are here, you have to save this number in your mobile. I am saving it as CVR app. Okay, आपको ऐसे सेव करना होगा. And after that, just open WhatsApp. Okay, you are going to message to this number. Okay, you can open from WhatsApp or directly you can message from here. You can see here Kolkata Municipal Corporation app. First you have to message hi. Okay, nothing else, just hi you message. Automatically the menu option will come. You can see here I just messaged hi, and you get the option of appointment booking system, and you have to select your municipality accordingly. 22 options are there, Kolkata. So each municipal corporation, each place has a number associated with. Kolkata is there, then see all the Howrah is there, everything is there, everything has a number. Kolkata is 1, Howrah is 8, Nadia is 12. So as a आपको number मिलेगा for everything. Okay, you have to type the number. For example, for Howrah, if you are booking, just type 8. You can see here when you type 8, फर्स्ट डोज यू आर बुकिंग और सेकेंड डोज यू आर बुकिंग. फर्स्ट डोज बुक करने के लिए आपको डेट ऑफ ईयर एंटर करना होगा. फॉर सेकेंड डोज यू हैव टू एंटर लाइक दिस, डेट एंड स्लैश मंथ. To know the slot availability, you have to enter 0. To come out, you can enter hash. So let us enter 0 and see the slot availability around Howrah. Okay, I have selected Howrah. So I enter 0, and you can see here again you have two options, mainly one option, press 1 for checking all the dates. Just enter 1, it will show you all the date availability. Okay, you can see here in Howrah, under Howrah, this place is having place number 33, it is having booking option. Okay, so you are going to select this Udayanarayanpur. For that you have to select this place. This is the only option, it's an just an option. Okay, first dose, second dose, anything you can book here. Okay, so let me just come out of this. I just enter my date of year of birth. It comes out to the main menu again. So now let us start. Previously we checked option only, availability only. Now you are going to book it actually. First you select the place. For Howrah 8, you can select any place, your convenient place. After selecting 8, you have to enter your date of year of birth. Okay, sorry, year of birth, only year of birth, no complete date. Okay, complete date of birth is not required, only year of birth. And it will show you what are the photo ID proof you are having. 6 options are there: Aadhaar, driving, PAN, passport. Suppose PAN card you are going to show, enter 3. So passport means you can enter 4. Okay, I am entering 3 because I am going to select PAN card. So when you enter 3, it will ask for your PAN card number. Okay, make sure you are entering properly, friends, because later it cannot be a problem for you. Okay, it should not be a problem. Enter your PAN card number. It is clearly told wrong photo ID will make your appointment cancelled. Okay, please do not enter anything wrong. Enter your PAN card number here and press just send the message. Okay, after sending PAN card number, you can get here, enter your name and sex. So you have to enter like this. Okay, Sanjay Kumar Ghosh, comma male. For male, M you have to enter. Okay, so this way you have to enter your name, comma your gender, basically male or female. Okay, M or F. So after that, as you can see here, once you enter this, it will show you the vaccination. Under Howrah you have only one option. Some Kolkata means you might have more options. So only one option, so you enter 1. Once you enter 1, it will automatically try to book. You can see here, please select the venue, and after that you have, sometimes you may have multiple venue, but here only one menu is there. What is the available date also clearly shown. 18th June is the availability. Okay friends, So to book or to confirm the center, only one center is there, that's why enter 1. If multiple two centers are there, you can enter the number accordingly. Now you can see here it is asking so we have selected the place by giving 1. So this is your vaccination center details, complete address also there, friends. Okay, now enter your date of choice. You are going to confirm means enter what is the date. Only one date is there, multiple date is there, you can enter the date accordingly. Here only one date is there, so you have to enter the date 18/06. If 19th is there, 19/06 you have to enter. Here only 18 is there. See, appointment is booked. It's so success. It's very quick and very easy process. You can see here vaccination has been scheduled properly, so you don't need to wait, you don't need to do anything. Okay, your name will be there, vaccination date, time slot also automatically they are allotting according to the vacancy. You can see here time slot also has come. And one more point you have to notice, correctly while going to the center, address is given, you have to carry the ID card in original mentioned in the WhatsApp. Okay friends, please do not miss this. Also you can carry any doctor certificate or anything related to the vaccination or your diseases. Okay, thank you so much. This is the latest update. Thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. See you with another informative video.